To install TikTok, go on Google Play. On the search bar, type TikTok. Click install. Open the app. At this point, it will ask you to log in. When TikTok is opened, you can scroll it up and see videos. TikTok, it's about scrolling up and see small clips of video. On the top, you have following. These are the people that you follow on TikTok. For you, it's everything else. You can like the video on the heart. You can click here to see the comments of the video and comment. Here you can see the profile of the user that made the video and you can follow him and see all his videos. Here you can share on other social media platforms. You also have the ability to save and other stuff. Here you can search for users, videos, sounds, and even hashtags. Here's your inbox where you can see people that liked your stuff, messages that you've been getting. You can reply to people. Here's your profile. You can see your details. You can edit profile. Here you can enter your website if you have things about yourself. Here's your TikTok code so people can find you. On the middle button on the plus is where you create videos. You can choose the speed of the video. You have 60-second video and 15-second video. The 15-second video, and you also can choose from a file. Here you can choose templates. You can add your own video here or image. On the bottom of each video that you're watching, they have the sound. You can click on it and you can use this sound on the bottom. To make a video, you press the red button, you record. You can release your finger and then stop and then record and then release it and stop. So you can, instead of recording as you go, you can pause. Keep in mind that TikTok, you can edit a lot and use all the effects here on the right. And you can even add sound. So as you can see here, the video, then you just want to click next. Add a description, add a hashtag. You could also tag a friend, then publish, and your video is published. It will now be listed here on your profile. You can click on the videos that you have. On the 3 dots, you can edit if you want. You can delete it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.